Technology and Livelihood Education. Industrial Arts for Grade 7. Quarter 4 Week 2 Part 4. Our topic is Traffic and Road Signs in the Philippines. The content standard for this lesson is: the learners demonstrate an understanding of the concepts in industrial arts services. The performance standard is: the learners perform mensuration and calculations following safety precautions. Here are the learning competency and learning objectives for this lesson. Guess the logo of the following government agencies. Traffic and road signs in the Philippines. What are the different traffic signs do you commonly see when going to and from school? Road traffic signs and symbols serve as visual indicators intended to direct drivers and pedestrians safely to their destinations. These markers provide directions, warnings, or instructions that both drivers and pedestrians must heed while on public roads. While most signs are located at the side of the street, some can also be positioned above roads or on pavements, bridges, and even on the roads themselves. Traffic signs in the Philippines are created to be straightforward, prominent, and easily comprehensible. They are typically displayed in large letters or depicted as clear pictures or symbols. To ensure understanding among locals, some signs are translated into Filipino or the local dialect. Overall, these signs are meticulously designed to avoid any misinterpretation of their meanings. The official typeface used for signs in the Philippines resembles Clearview. While the designs are standardized, they exhibit influences from America, Australia, and the Vienna Convention. The Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, regulates these signs to maintain consistency in their appearance across different locations. Studying traffic signs and symbols is a requirement set by the Land Transportation Office, LTO, prior to granting a driver's license. Understanding these signs not only helps you pass the exam but also ensures the safety of yourself and others on the road. The array of road traffic signs and symbols in the Philippines holds significant importance for both drivers and pedestrians for the following reasons. 1. Safety. They are crucial for ensuring the safety of road users. 2. Warning. They alert individuals to potential dangers in congested and accident-prone areas. 3. Explanation of rules. They efficiently explain the rules of road usage, facilitating better and safer traffic flows. 4. Cues for mindful driving. For motorists, traffic signs serve as cues for driving attentively. 5. Guidance. They help drivers and pedestrians identify safe areas for walking, driving, turning, and crossing. 6. Driver's license requirement. Knowledge of road signs is a section of the LTO written exam, which is a primary requirement for obtaining a driver's license. The traffic signs are divided into 8 categories, namely regulatory signs, warning signs, guide/informative signs, signs on expressway, traffic instruction signs, hazard markers, roadwork signs, and pavement markings. Regulatory sign. Priority signs, stop sign. This sign requires the driver to stop at a designated stop line. They are also not allowed to park within 6 meters of the stop line, give way sign. With this sign, drivers are expected to yield to vehicle to the right side of the intersection, left turn must give way. When turning left at intersections, you can only have the right of way if you use your turn signal at least 30 meters before reaching the intersection. If there are cars arriving or already too close to the intersection, yield, give allowance, or make a full stop and let them pass. The following are the complete list of road traffic signs and symbols in the Philippines.
A time to remember. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Thank you.